So this is my GJ analysis for Gbpjpy. Okay, so starting from the weekly, we just rejected these weekly lows here. Okay, we just rejected these weekly lows here. And let's go to the daily first, okay? Because the daily, happened before the weekly. So we have been bearish for quite some time, okay? We have been bearish for quite some time, making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, higher low here, just to make a double top and keep, so the way I see it, in this case, for example, is still not bullish until, besides structure, but let's just focus on structure right now. Until we make a higher high, then we're bullish, okay? When we have a higher high and higher low. Here we made a lower high, a higher low, just to make a double top and keep dropping, to make a lower low, lower high, lower low. And okay, I want to stop here. Why? This, I posted this on my Instagram. I stopped posting, post, but I keep posting stories where I said that this could be a signal for a reversal on GJ, okay? That we could start looking for buys after this happened. Why? Because we rejected this weekly, okay, the weekly level, the weekly lows. This is also weekly low here, but we also have this daily support, pretty important. When you see here, rejection, super big push, okay, super big push, plus exactly at this pretty important level of daily support, it gave us a 3 pinpoint bar formation, okay. This is a reversal pattern, usually when you see it on bigger time frames like this. So you could have taken some buys here. I think I didn't take any buy. Actually, I took a sell. Where? I think I took a sell. I think it was here. I took a sell. I don't know. Yeah, it was here. I took a sell here. Okay, from here to here. But yeah, that doesn't matter. So at the moment, we still have a lower high. We didn't take this high here, okay? But we do have a higher low, okay? To maybe make something like this, okay? And reach this weekly high. Of course, we have to go step by step. We have this support level here, and level here. Okay? Yeah, we could, and this one too, which is basically also this. Yeah. So on the 4 hour, okay, we are trading above the daily level. What I would like to have on the 4 hour to make an entry, I would like a better pullback, which could not happen. This could just do like this. But I would like a pullback to this 4 hour zone, 4 hour level, okay? When we broke, make a pullback and have this big push, okay? So I would like a pullback here. There's also zone, if you see here, resistance, support. This was also resistance here. And, a pullback, then push, okay, to this daily level here. That's like a close target, okay? Of course, if we break that, then 100% we're bullish, and we could be taking these highs, and maybe the weekly high. Okay, so confluences for being bullish. let's go to a 4 hour. Okay, on the 4 hour we had this trend line that I use a lot to take sells. I took multiple sells with this trend line. Okay, there was another one here too. I remember I took sells here, I took sells here. I don't remember about this. I 100% remember taking here, and even some down here. But that doesn't matter. What do we have right now? Okay, so we had this head and shoulders on the 4 hour. This is also the 3 pinpoint formation on the daily. Okay, first confluence or 2 confluence. Now we had a break of the trend line, retest with equal highs. I took these buys here, it's on my Instagram. And we have the push, okay? We are expected to break these highs. How it looks on the daily, this trend line, it looks really nice, break, retest, 3 pinpoint formation to go up. So we could say, maybe we could say we already have the breakup structure. You know, I don't think this is gonna form a double top at the moment how it looks, and mostly because of this daily candle, how it closed above, as you can see. So yeah, I'm pretty bullish. We could be taking, you know, this high here, this high, and this high, maybe even this weekly. If we go to a small time frames, okay, I like to use this for entries. This is a new way of analysis I'm trying. Okay, this is where I took the buys. I took it here on the closing of this bullish candle to then close it here with all this reaction. But when it came back, I make another buy here and close it here. My target overall was here, even more higher, but I don't like to shoot, you know, to the stars. So, and it was reached. You know, it's not worth it, you know, for a few pips to deal with these pullbacks, right? So I closed my second trade here. This was within 1 day, 3% between the two, so it was nice. Now we're trading above this daily level, also significant high. Okay, we have taken, we have taken this significant high from this bearish move on the intraday, and we could even see, GJ, we could even see us having the pullback here and maybe reach this level. But either way, I'm not interested on taking any trades at the moment, because tomorrow is NFP, and it was a really good week for me, and I'm happy with my profits for this week. So I will see what this pair does on Monday, Tuesday. Most likely we could even just be having a pullback, or maybe we could have a push tomorrow. If we have a push and we break the highs, we are bullish 100%. Yeah, I'm looking for buys for this pair right now for GJ for the next week. We could be reaching psychological levels 154, where we had this significant high, 154 and 155, maybe even the weekly. Okay, the first one we have to take in order for these two is this one right here, 153,500 basically. Yeah, you see psychological level 153,500. There you go. When we take these two, when we take this one, most likely we are gonna reach this one and this one, at least this one. But we have to go step by step, bridge to bridge, and we can have some nice profits. Okay, so this is my analysis for GJ. Yeah, that's it. See you next week.